Hey everybody, John Stovall of MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me today on my newest listing. I'm proud to present this listing to you. This is a 2003 Cruisers Yachts 3470 Express. Now, this boat is an 03, but you wouldn't know it by looking at service history and the condition of the boat on the outside. It is immaculate for its age. I'm going to start back here with the soft grip flooring that the owner had installed, as well as a grill and Fender Racks back here. And he added these nice stand-up grab ladders for the ladder that comes in the boat. Follow me in the boat. You join me in the cockpit. So in the cockpit here, we have a nice big table, wraparound seating with the upholstery in excellent condition. The canvas is also in good condition. A little foggy, but there's no rips, no tears, nothing like that to note on this boat. Moving forward, you got a newer TV, your sink and refrigerator down below, and a nice settee area here next to the captain. Now on the helm, we got a Raymarine C-Series Chartplotter, Lavorsi GPS speedometer, and all your other instrumentation as well. Now this boat is powered by twin Volvo big block 8.1 liter engines with Volvo Duo-Prop drives, currently sitting about 560 hours. However, the drives were replaced in 2022. Follow me into the cabin. Now the cabin in this boat is a super functional layout. So you have settee / dining area here to starboard with your main AC/DC panel as well, right here on the wall. Tons of cabinetry and a revolving TV that works for both the dining area and for the master. Now the master is covered with curtains, nice sized bed with a decent mattress on it as well. Now to port on this boat forward by the master, you also have a semi-wet head, so it is still a wet head. However, let me get the lights on in there for you. However, there is a separate shower stall with a curtain. Hard to find in this size and your range on this boat. You also have the full galley to port with your 2-burner stove, your refrigerator, nice sink, fridge, and coffee maker. And then lastly, a beautiful, nice convertible seating lounge back here that can convert into a berth. I appreciate you taking the time to check this boat out with me. I highly encourage you to come look at this boat. This boat is freshly listed at Baldridge Marina on Lake Lanier. Hope to see you soon.